I know you've mentioned this approach of unearthing the sales genius within. Can you talk a little bit about that and what that means?
Yeah. So what we do is we define. Many speakers have gone out, many people that go through and say everybody has their own level of genius in whatever area it is. So typically we walk in. I like to make training fun. I'll tell you, the genius part of what I do, and I'm okay to say this, is that I can take the complex and make it simple, okay, while adding humor. So other people can take complex and make it simple, but nobody wants to learn it. So when I sit down, I will connect with people on a different level. So Matt, if I got you to laugh while we were sitting here and I said something, it meant your ego has dropped. Okay? Because if you hated me, right? If somebody's listening right now going, I hate his voice, whatever, they're going to click off, right? They're not going to be paying attention. But if you hate the other person, it doesn't matter how funny they are, you'll never laugh. Okay, we see that a lot in culture today, is that I don't care what you said, I just don't like you, so therefore we cancel whatever it is. You could have said, how do you cure cancer? But the answer is I don't like you because the way you look, what you do, blah, blah, they come in. So I like to break down strategies with people and find what resonates with them. Because you're going to have somebody who's in sales that is great at prospecting, can't close anything.